Hi, morning everyone. So I'm out very early. It's about 6 a.m. now to test the low light capability of the 70mai Omni, the X200. Alright. So let me on the light here so you can see my face. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the standard test that I always do for the dashcam test, which is the McDonald's drive-thru. So it's going to be a pitch dark area, so I'm going to do the testing there to take some photograph and drive through the McDonald's, and we shall go and try look for some alley to take some photos there as well to see how it handles the darkness. So we'll go up to McDonald's and then we'll do the test. We'll see you in a while. Take photo. Take photo. Take photo. And we shall go and try this. This is a favorite spot. Then after that we shall go to a dark alley, maybe at the park. And we shall drive through the park area. Hopefully the sun isn't up by then. Okay, great. McDonald's light is not on, so we can test some pitch darkness shot. Okay, this is how it's going to look like. I'm going to reverse, and then there's a lamppost on my left. Right, you can see it with my headlamps on. Lamppost on my left, and let's see, McDonald's on the right. A bit interior is lighted, the signage is not on yet, so we shall test with my light off. You can see how it looks like in the video. This is a small lamp and this is totally off, so all my headlamps are off, and this is the pitch darkness that you can see, and McDonald's on the right, lamppost on the left, the sky is in the front. So let's take a photo of this and we can compare. Okay, we shall do a drive-through McDonald's with my headlamps off, so we can see if we're driving through McDonald's and see it's dark, and then we can see with the headlamp off how does it look like. Okay, I'm turning in. This is McDonald's. I'm going to off my headlamps and drive through. Hopefully I don't bang into anything because it's so dark I can't see. McDonald's people were wondering what's going on. So there's a divider somewhere in front here, I can't really see it. And they are doing some dredging here. You can see it's very dark. Hopefully the camera is picking it up. And McDonald's will be wondering why I'm driving through without my headlamps on. So I'm gonna go through here. This is McDonald's on the right. There's a car park there. It'll be interesting to see. Can you all see the number plate with my headlamps off? Right, let's turn it back on. Right, you should be able to see the number plate if my lights are on. So that's how it looks like. We shall drive to McDonald's again with my headlamps on, and you can see the divider and the dredging part. So this is what they're dredging up, and that's the divider. So if you didn't see that, you're not familiar with this, you're gonna hit that divider. Okay, so let's move on to some alley. Hopefully the park, by the time I reach there, the sun isn't up. Then we can go through the alleys in the park area. There's a super pitch dark there because it's all covered with trees. So let's go there and have a look, and we shall see. Yes, it's open. So let's go in and go to the roads where the lights are totally dark, and we shall do some testing. So you can see here, we shall go down to where the birds are. There's some street lamps on the side. So this is how the road looks like, a bit dark here, and only my headlamps and some street lamps. Birds are. Like, so there's a signboard there. So since we're here and there's a signboard, let's take a photo of the signboard and with the headlamps on. Actually it's saying Discovery Ride, so cycling trail, so you should be able to see in the photos even though it's at an angle. And we will drive through to the dark road. You can't go in this because that's where the maintenance crew goes. So we shall go through the dark road here. Further up. Headlamps. Hopefully I don't crash into anything. So that's how the road looks like. I can't see anything, it's pitch black with only one street lamp on. Again, this is a great way to test out the cameras. So that's only one street lamp on. what do you think? Which camera is performing great without any headlamps? I can't see any damn thing. I better on back the lights. This is my side light. That's very little light here, just my side lights. And then we'll switch back on the headlamps. I don't want to crash into anything, so that's how it goes. It's pitch dark here, right? This is a beautiful park. I love this park. You know, it's near. It's actually in the city. Hi, so now the lighting is from my handphone. It looks like Halloween. It's like shooting from the bottom. I better on the cabin light rather than using my handphone. Anyway, I do hope you like the low light testing. It's very dark. I can't see much of anything. The camera seems to be able to catch it up with the pictures and the videos, so we shall do the comparison as well. And do give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and do subscribe for my next video, and share this with your friends that need to buy a dash cam. Again, with the 70mai Omni, do get the higher GB. 32 GB normally lasts you about 2 hours only, full on drive. If you're going outstation and you're driving long distance, you're a salesperson, you're going up north, south, do get the 64 and 128 GB. I think it's a better buy for that. So do give me a thumbs up. I'll see you on the next video. Bye. Have a nice day. So I'm going to the park and take some pictures of birds. Bye.